save. Click on save. Okay. This will be saved to this campaign only. Okay. So now we are done with the automated message. Let's see what we have done once again, right? First, we have selected the button, call to action button, and then we have selected where to get the call to action button, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So if you have WhatsApp business number, if your WhatsApp number is WhatsApp business, then you can able to connect that WhatsApp business number here. And then we have made changes for this automated way, greeting message, welcome message, and also automated messages. And then audience, you need to select the audience. Okay, we are done with the campaign. Now to whom you want to show this campaign. Okay, so for the one now, if I want to take classes for only AP and Telangana, and if you won't select the audience, it will show to anyone in the entire world, right? So now you need to select the audience. Okay, so audience here people you choose through targeting. Okay, people who like your page. Do you want to show this campaign to the people who already liked your page? Then you need to select here people who like your page and people similar to them. Okay, it will show to this campaign will be shown to the people who liked your page and also the similar type of people. Okay, and then people in your local area. Right now I am in Hyderabad, so it will show to the people in my local area. Okay, now I am going to select this one. No, I don't like any of these things. So now I will design the audience. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so again, so now okay, so now I am going to design the campaigns. 1 minute, sorry. Okay, so people you choose through targeting. We are going to target few people. Okay, in some area with gender and also age group and everything we can select. So I have selected this one. Now there is a pencil icon here. Click on this pencil icon. Okay, now you need to select. Okay, so the gender, which gender you want to show this campaign? All means men and women you want to show. Now this campaign I want to show to only women. So I have selected women. So this campaign will be shown to only women. And next, age group. Which age group you want to show this campaign? Okay. Here it is showing 18 to 65. Now I don't want to show 18 years people. My targeted audience are, I want to target women who are just housewife. Who want to learn some digital knowledge like Google and all those things, website designing, all those things, right? So 18 years means definitely she will be a student, right? So I want to increase the thing 25. Yeah, 25 to 65 years people. Yeah, very few people may be interested to learn this course. So my targeted audience will be 45 till 45, 25 to 45. So I have selected the age, I have selected the gender, and I have selected the age and come down. And location, which location you want to show this campaign. Okay, so I want to target AP, Telangana, and anyone. Now right now I have students from Kerala who are teachers. They are learning these digital apps classes. So now if you want to select only some particular area, so you can select that area, right? If I want to select entire Kerala. Okay, Kerala, India. Okay, so you can select the Kerala, only entire Kerala state, right? So for example, I'm in Hyderabad. If I want to select only Hyderabad city, not entire Telangana, if I want to select only Hyderabad, yeah, I can select Hyderabad, right? So I don't want to select the entire Hyderabad, but I want to select only few areas in Hyderabad, right? Then you can select those areas also. Kukatpalli is one area name. Kukatpalli. One minute. Kukatpalli. Okay. This one. Okay. And then uh, Banjara Hills. Banjara Hills. Okay. So like that, what all the places you want, you can select all those places here, right? You can type all those places. So this campaign will be shown to them only. So now I want to select entire India. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to select entire India, women age between 25 to 45 years.